Have you ever looked at someone and thought, why do they understand things so quickly? Or maybe you're the one who feels like your brain runs on a different frequency, not better, just deeper. What if I told you that psychology actually explains this and that the signs of a gifted mind go way beyond IQ scores or school grades? Today, we're breaking down the secret inner world of gifted people, the way they think, feel, and experience life in a completely different dimension. Stick with me until the end, because the last sign might reveal something surprising about you. Gifted people don't just have quick minds, they have layered minds. One single idea becomes 10. A small, insignificant detail can bloom into a whole theory. While most people see things going from A to B, a gifted person sees A to B, then to Z, then asks why it even matters, and finally, how it can be improved. They process meaning, patterns, and possibilities all at once. This is why gifted people often seem so creative, philosophical, or just endlessly curious. But this kind of thinking? It's incredibly powerful and also completely exhausting. A gifted mind usually comes with a gifted emotional system. Happiness feels brighter. Anger feels sharper. Sadness can feel absolutely overwhelming. It's not about being dramatic, it's that their nervous system literally reacts more intensely to everything. This emotional depth helps them understand other people on a profound level. But it can also isolate them because not everyone feels things with that same intensity. Gifted people question everything. Why is it like this? What's the real reason behind it? Who decided this was the rule? Is there a better way to do this? They simply cannot accept shallow, surface-level explanations. They have to dig, analyze, challenge, and explore to others. This constant curiosity can look like rebellion or being difficult, but inside, it's just their brain desperately trying to make sense of the world. Perfectionism is their secret enemy. Gifted people don't just chase success, they chase their own potential, and they often set standards so impossibly high that even they can't reach them. One small mistake feels like a total failure. One unfinished idea feels like wasted potential. This perfectionism can fuel greatness, but it can also lead to burnout, anxiety, and crippling self-doubt. They're not competing with other people. They're competing with the idealized version of themselves they wish they could be. Gifted minds often feel like outsiders. It's not because they don't want to fit in, but because their thoughts and interests are just different. While others might be talking about gossip, the latest trends, or other surface-level topics, they crave depth, meaning, purpose, and big ideas. And when they finally find someone who truly gets them, that connection feels incredibly rare and powerful. Their mind never ever shuts off, even when they're trying to rest. Their brain is running simulations, ideas, plans, questions, and possibilities are constantly swirling. It's like having a browser with 40 tabs open at all times, and you can't close any of them. This constant mental activity can be exciting and fuel creativity, but it can also feel intensely overwhelming. For gifted minds, true silence is rare, but creativity is constant. Being gifted isn't about grades, trophies, or IQ numbers. It's about how deeply you think, feel, imagine, question, and experience life. It's a gift, yes, but it can also be a weight. If you felt connected to any of these signs, maybe your mind works differently too. If videos like this help you understand yourself a little better, hit that subscribe button and stay with this community. Around here, you're not too much. You're not overthinking. And you're not too sensitive. You're just wired differently, and that's your power.